The amazing flavors of our little chef.
Little Chef Contestant number 11, Hazik bin Anina's 3rd Standard Indian Community School, Salmiya, Kuwait.
Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to make white sauce chicken pasta. So I will tell you the ingredients. Boiled macaroni, white creamy sauce, fried chicken, capsicum, carrot, onion, salt, coriander leaf, oil, pepper. First I will tell you how to make white creamy sauce. First add butter. Then add maida. Add milk little by little. Then add cheese. Then add salt and then some pepper. Now our white creamy sauce is ready. Now let's make pasta. Put some oil first. Now add chopped onion. Then add carrot. Now we can add capsicum. Add some salt. Now we can add fried chicken. Now we can add pasta sauce. The mix is ready. We can add boiled macaroni. Pasta is ready. Now we can garnish with coriander leaf. So our yummy tasty pasta is ready. Can we taste it? Mashallah, yummy. If you like my video, please like and share to your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till the next video come up, thank you.
ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വ്യൂസ് ലഭിക്കുന്ന 3 പാചക വീഡിയോകൾക്കാണ് സമ്മാനം. ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ അവസാന തീയതി 2020 സെപ്റ്റംബർ 19-നാണ്. വിജയികളെ 2020 സെപ്റ്റംബർ 26-ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നു.